Let's begin. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. رب يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum salam.
Let's begin.
Walaikum salam, Sahaba.
We were seeing numbers yesterday. Who can tell me how do we say 5 men? Rajul is 1 man. How do we say 5 men? Rajulun would be 1. How do we say many men? Rijal is men. There's an echo on someone's line. Let me mute everyone. So who wants to speak, unmute and speak. Let me for now just mute everyone. Okay. Rijal is men.
Amis Rijal.
So what answers? What are the answers you just said?
Hamza Rijal.
Hamza Rijal.
Saqib al-Rijal.
Hamza
Hamsatu Rijal.
Rijal. Let me just put all of the answers together. We have
Amis to Rijal.
Khamsu Rijalin.
Saqib al-Rijal.
Yes, 1 minute only.
Al-Rijal will be the men. He's asking for 5 men, so
Hamza Al Rijal.
Amis Rijal.
Khamis Rijal.
Amis
Khamsatu rijalin.
Okay. Khamsatu Rijalin. Okay. And I think I had one more answer which I haven't noted. What was that? We have Khamsa Rijalin. We have Khamsu Rijalin. We have Khamsa Ar Rijalin. We have Khamis Rijal. Let me make this Khamisu Rijalin. We have Khamsatu Rijalin. Did we have one more answer? Okay, so these are all of the answers. Now, what's the rule we will use for numbers between 3 to 10? This is many men, okay? So this is more than 3. So let's take, this is 5 men in fact. So 5 is between 3 and 10. It's going to follow the rule. What are the rules we need to follow?
If the noun is male, the number should be a female.
Correct. So 5 men are in the masjid, 5 men ate dinner, 5 men prayed tahajjud. It doesn't matter, okay, what they do. It is 5 men. So one rule is number and object are opposite in gender. Okay, so we will have masculine feminine or feminine masculine. Okay, let me make this small. Okay, so number object will be opposite gender. This is one rule. What's the other rule?
If the thing is male and female, you will be using as it as male.
Very good. So if F, small f or small m is male plus female, we will treat it as male. Okay. Okay, so this one. So if there is even one man in this mixture, we will treat it as a man. Okay, so this is one. Let me say this is 1A. This is a more say explanation to rule 1. Okay, rule 2 is this word F and M. This will be in the object form. It will be in fact in the kasra form. Okay, so F or M will be plural and in kasra form. So it will either be single kasra or double kasra. Okay, so this is second rule. So going by this first rule, we need to have opposite gender. So when we say men, when we say rijal, is this masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
This is going to be masculine. Okay. Now, this word, the khamsu or khamsatu, which one will be correct? Should this be masculine or feminine?
The number should be feminine.
The number should be feminine. So will it be khamsu or khamsatu?
Khamsatu.
Satu.
Khamsatu. Okay. So these 4 khamsu are going to be wrong. Why? Because we need feminine. Khamsatu or khamsata, depending on the sentence, is going to be feminine. Now, khamsu rijalin is 4 men, but if I say I spoke to 5 men, here it becomes the object. Okay, so that it could also become khamsata rijalin. So if I say atakallamu is I spoke. I say atakallamu. Okay, I spoke. With would be B. B. So B, the rule for B is it will change this into kasra. B, khamsati rijalin. Okay. But if I just say 5 men without anything, I would say khamsatu rijalin. If I say I met 5 men, I would say khamsata rijalin. Right? Because this is whom did I meet? It is the object. It is the detail. So it will become khamsata. So this one, the khamsatu, khamsata, khamsati, might change depending on the sentence, but it's going to be of this pattern. It's going to be feminine, so it's going to have the ta marbuta. The rijal is going to be 5 men. Okay, let's also put 2b in the single or double kasra form. 2a would be, it's not going to have al. I'm not going to say 5 of men. I'm going to say 5 men. That's why it's going to be khamsu rijalin. Okay, so it's not going to have al. So we won't have al. We'll only have rijalin, and the khamsatu is going to be feminine. Why? Because rijal is masculine. So with masculine, we need to have a feminine number. So it's going to be khamsatu rijalin. This is what we saw till yesterday, and this is what we did the quiz on. Now, question is, how would I say the 5th man? Okay, the 5th man in the line is my brother. Okay, the 5th man. Now it's not 5 men, it's not 5 different men, but it is 1 man, and it is the 5th man in the line. How would I say the 5th man? Sadia, how do we say the 5th man? Not any man, but the 5th position. The man in the 5th position.
Ar-rajulin al-khamis.
By ar-rajulin?
Ar-rajuli.
By ar-rajuli? Ar-rajuli?
Al-khamis.
Al-khamis? Al-khamisi? Now here, the 5th man is the subject Sadia. Okay, so it has to be al-rajulu.
Can I?
Wait, Zahan. Let Sadia do this, you do the next one. Ar-rajulu al-khamisu. Now, how do I say, Sadia, the new man in the line is my father? How do I say the new man is my brother? How do I say the new man? Not any man, but the new person who's just joined the line, the new man in the line.
Al-rajuli al-jadidi.
Why are you saying al-rajuli? This is the subject.
Al-rajulu
Hmm?
al-jadidu.
Very good. Ar-rajulu al-jadidu. Very nice. So ar-rajulu al-jadidu. What is al-jadidu?
New.
New, and it's adjective. Okay. So this is the new man. Al-khamis. What is al-khamis? Zahan? Is it noun? Is it subject? Is it adjective? What is it?
Subject. Sorry, it's not a subject.
Again, Zahan? Again, Zahan? They cannot hear you. Sadia, what is al-khamisu?
Al-khamisu is a adjective.
It's adjective, okay? So al-rajulu al-khamisu together is the subject. So we are talking about the new man or the fifth man. This al-khamisu is going to follow the rule of adjective. What's the rule of adjective? Who remembers the rule of adjective?
The both should have al and both should have the similar ending.
Correct. So both of these are going to be very similar. If this has al, this will also have al. So we see ar-rajulu al-khamisu, ar-rajulu al-jadidu. Okay, this has u, this also has u. This has u, this also has u. Okay, no ta marbuta, no ta marbuta. So both are masculine, both are definite, both have al, both are singular. Ar-rajulu al-khamisu, both are singular. Al-jadidu, both are singular. So these are the rules. So both will have al, both will be masculine, and both will be singular. Okay. So if I say the fifth man, it is only one man. It's not five men. So if I say the fifth man, fifth is going to come after the noun. So fifth in English, I would say the fifth man. I would say pehla admi, dusra admi. I would say tisra admi, panchwa admi. But in Arabic, it's the opposite. Fifth has to come after. So I would say the man, the fifth. That's how it is in Arabic. Now, how would I say the fifth woman? There's too much air in your connection, Zahan. You seem to be in a balcony. Okay. Al-mar'atu. Is it al-mar'atu or al-imratu? Let me just verify. So I take you correct. I go to Google Translate. Al-mar'a is dreadful. No, I want women. So it should be al-imratu. Okay, so if I make it this way, al-mar'atu. Okay.
Al-mar'atu alisatu.
Al-mar'atu. Al-mar'atu. What's the second word, Zahan? Al-khamisatu. Very good. So, mar'atu has ta marbuta. It is feminine. So it's going to be al-khamisatu. Okay. Al-mar'atu al-khamisatu. This has al. This also has al. This is feminine. This has ta marbuta. This also has ta marbuta. This is singular. This is also singular. Now, how do I say the fifth male student or the sixth male student? What was your rank yesterday, Adnan? Your rank was sixth, no?
Yeah, 6.
Very good. So how do you say the sixth student, male student?
Al.
Al. What do we say for student?
Student is
How do I say this is a student?
Alisa.
Let Adnan try, Zahan. Okay, anyone who wants to try? Fuzail, Afifa, or Shazia, or Safa?
Al-Talibu.
At-Talibu, very good. At-Talibu is the student. Now, how do I say the six? At-Talibu?
الطالب
Six.
الستة
Al-Sadis.
Al
Six.
Su. But if Sadia was sixth, now Sadia will start crying if I say that she is sixth because she, I think, came first yesterday, Sadia.
Yes, sir.
So if I say Sadia is sixth, she'll start crying. But let's say she came sixth.
Al-Sadis.
So how will I say the sixth student for Sadia? What will happen to At-Talibu?
At-Talibi.
Oh, it's not At-Talibi.
At-Talibi.
No, it's not At-Talibi.
At-Talibi. Al-Sadis.
It's not At-Talibi. How do you make masculine to feminine, Adnan?
Yeah.
At-Talibi is, if I say of the student, okay? Kitabu At-Talibi would be book of the student. That's where it have Talibi. But masculine to feminine is not At-Talibi. Masculine to feminine is Tamarbuta. So what is female student?
At-Talibu.
At-Talibu is you. At-Talibu is Adnan. How do I say the female student?
الطالبة
Very good. At-Talibatu. Who was this?
Sadisatu.
Afifa? Or Shazia?
Shazia.
Very good. At-Talibatu.
Sadisatu.
At-Talibi is not feminine. At-Talibi is
At-Talibat.
At-Talibatu.
At-Talibatu. As-Sadisatu.
Asadisatu. Very good. See, your revision is making you at least answer better than you used to earlier. You have to revise every day, Adnan. At-Talibu as-Sadisatu. Okay. So, At-Talibu as-Sadisu would be the sixth male student. At-Talibatu as-Sadisatu would be the sixth female student. Both of these have to agree. Now, question, how do I say 6 male students and how do I say 6 female students?
Male students.
How do I say 6 male students? And male students, I'll give you a clue, okay?
It's not the 6 male students.
At-Tullab, it's not At-Talibun, okay? So, Talib is, if it was male, generally, they would say At-Talibun, like Muslimun. Muslim would be Muslimun, but for Talib, it doesn't follow that pattern for masculine, okay? So, it would be At-Tullab.
Sitta At-Tullab.
Sitta
At-Tullab.
One second. ड्रॉ में है वो ड्रॉ में बीच के ड्रॉ में है होगा देखो सामने के ओके हम बैक गाइस सित्ता at-tullabu at-tullabi
Yes. At-Tullab.
at-tullabi yeah, guys you need to apply the rules okay if I ask you rules one by one you are applying it but here you're not using the rule
क्या हो गया?
yes
सित्ता at-Talibu.
sitta at-talibu okay male students would be tullab okay let me take out the all
Sitta Tullabu.
think of the rules Adnan think one step ahead you're not thinking one step ahead tullabu or tullabun sitta what did you say Adnan sitta tullabi
Yes. Sitta Tullabi.
the tullab is correct but the sitta is wrong
Sittatun.
sittatu
Sittatu tullab.
Sittatu tullabin. That's the answer, guys. You need to remember the male-female rule, okay? So if I ask you, at one time you remember the male-female rule, but if you look at 6 male students, you need to know that 6 is going to be feminine because male students is masculine. You need to remember this rule, guys. You need to use it every time you see 6 students, 6 teachers, 6 teachers, okay? Teachers will follow the UNA rule. So 6 teachers, male or male plus female, would be Mudarrisuna. So it would be Sittatu Mudarrisuna. If I say I sat with Ma'a 6 teachers, I would say Ma'a Sittati, because Ma'a will change the Sittatu to Sittati. This will change, this will not change. Tulabin will always say Tulabin. Sittatu can be Sittata or Sittati depending on the sentence. Okay. Now, how do we say 6 female students? How do we say female students first? Let's put 6 second. How do I say female students? Like
सर
Mudarris.
को ऊपर मेल स्टूडेंट्स लिखे निमा,
हाँ मामा.
उसमें सित्ता तू पहले आएगा क्या बाद आएगा?
पहले आएगा मामा.
पहले जाएगा. अच्छा.
If I say the 6th student, then that would be a talibu asadisu. This is the adjective rule. But with number rules, the number will come first.
Okay.
Okay. With practice, with the test, inshallah, you'll make it more easy. It'll become more easy and natural for you. So we need to do tests. Okay. Test is the fastest way to learn. Now, 6 female students. How do I say female students?
Alibatu.
Talibatun is 1 female student. How do I say many students? What's the rule? Like Una, Mudarrisuna is a rule for masculine. So Mudarrisuna or Mudarrisina would be the rule for masculine. But for female, we saw another rule. What's that? Mudarrisuna would be subject.
Tullabatu.
No. Tulab is only for masculine. For female, it's another rule. What is that?
Zahan, go on mute.
See, female student is Talibatun. Okay. Oh, female student. Let me show you yesterday's note. Let's see then if you can pick it up. Okay. Let me go full screen. That will help you see better. Okay, here it is. So, O Muslim is Muslimun. O female Muslim is Muslimatun. Okay, this is like Tullab. Is this like Talibun? Talibatun. Now, when I say Muslims, masculine subject, okay, I'd say Muslimuna, plural, and object would be Muslimina. So, Una and Ina means it is masculine plural. What is for feminine? What do we say for Muslim? What do we say for many Muslims? Feminine. What do we say for many Muslims?
Muslimatu.
Matun. Atun and Atil are for female. In fact, for most of the females, you see that they'll follow this rule. Wherever you have the ta marbuta, you put an alif, you put the ta marbuta, and there's only Muslimatun, there's only Muslimatin. There's no Muslimatan. Same way, there's Muslimuna, Muslimina. There's no Muslimini, there's no Muslimunu. No, these are the only forms for plural. So it's Muslimatun, it's Muslimatin, it's Muslimuna, Muslimina. So many female Muslim women would be Muslimatun or Muslimatin. Now, for Tullab or Talibatun, what would we say for many female students? Talibatun is one female student. How do we say many female students? How do we say it? What did I do to Talibatun?
Tullabatin.
No Tulab. Forget Tulab. Tulab is here. Tulab is an exception. Look at Talibatun.
Talibatin.
No, not Talibatun. You're making one very tiny mistake. It's not Talibatun. You're missing something. One thing. Let me write it for you. Let me make it easy for you guys. So we have Talibatun. What did I do to Talibatun? What did I do to Muslimatun? Muslimatun became Muslimatun or Muslimatun. What did I do to Talibatun?
Talibatun.
Talibatun. The earlier answer was Talibatun, which is not correct. It is Talibatun. Talibatun. Or Talibatun. What would be the object form? Talibatun is plural subject. Plural object. I spoke to many female Muslims, or I taught in the class to many female Muslims. That's the object. So what would the object
Is it
be?
the Talibuna?
No, Talibuna is masculine. In fact, Talibuna doesn't exist. This rule is not followed for Talibun. It's say a different. Like in English we say, like in English we'd say pens. Okay, we'd say pencils. But for sheep we would say sheep. We don't have sheeps. This is that kind of rule. So for Talibun, we'd say Tullab. Okay, for Qalam, we'd say Aqlam. So these are exceptions. Give me one more word in English which doesn't follow the S rule. Like, give me one more rule in English.
And men.
Men. Okay, beautiful, Adnan. Man, I cannot say mans. Mans is wrong. So Talibun, Tullabun is like men. It's like classes. It's not class is wrong. Class is wrong. It's classes. Okay? So it's like that. Child, what's the plural of child?
Children.
Children. Is it childs, Adnan? Zahan? No, child is wrong. Okay, so that's why, like we have Muslimun, Muslimuna, or Muslimatun, Muslimatun. This is like pens, pencils. But the Tullab is an exception. Okay, it's like men. It is different. Someone came and they said, no, plural men should not be mans. It should be men. Okay, so Tullab is like that. It's just say out of the blue. But for feminine, mostly it follows this rule. It mostly is Atun, or what is the object form? So we have Talibatun. And what's the object form?
Talibatin.
Okay, that's all I had to teach you. Okay, any questions? Otherwise, I'm going to jump to the quiz.
No, sir. Sakuma, will we even be having like in the quiz what is the men,
Yeah, I'll give you options. In fact, let me help you out a little more.
the
Okay?
first, the second?
Yeah. So we'll have like that. But my questions are not so easy. So I like to give my students difficult questions. Only then you learn fast. So
Okay, sir.
let's do
फिर
quick.
वो तालिब का दिखाया नहीं साहब तुम्हें?
हाँ mama.
That page? Show
हाँ mama.
That last page.
हाँ mama.
सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट वो कौन सी बराबर समझ में
हाँ।
नहीं आता परवा नहीं क्या
हाँ वो समझ में नहीं आया.
It's okay, mama. See, Muslim is a.
The tun is for subject, is it?
The tun is for subject.
Talibatun.
The tin is for object. But this is something we learn in detail. What you need to know is if you see like this un, or if you see tun, mostly it is singular.
The
Muslimun,
Talibatun Sahib, first Talibatun dalena.
Talibatun.
Talibatun. No, Talibatun.
Talibatun is one
You
student.
wrote on the list. Okay, what is talibatun?
Talibatun is many female
Many
students.
female
Plural.
students.
Okay.
Female students. So the only thing you need to know for now, okay? So we'll learn this in detail later, inshallah. If you see atun or atin, it is female plural. This is the pattern. Atun or atin is always going to be female plural. Okay? This is the pattern you need to see and recognize. So atun, atin is female plural. Una, ina is masculine plural. So you just need to know these patterns. That's all you need to take out of this. So you see una, you see ina, masculine plural. Okay, this is
Okay.
say the exceptions to this, but to the atun, atin, there are mostly no exceptions. Most words ending with tun will become atun, atin for the plural case. Like samawatun, samawatin is skies. Okay, it follows the atun, so it is plural. Talibatun, talibatin, tobibatun, tobibatin, all these are plural. So tobibatun is one doctor, female doctor. Tobibatun or tobibatin would be female doctors. So you just have to remember the atun and the atin ending and recognize the plural. That's what you need to know here. Okay. Now, whenever I talk about a person, I talk about the 5th student. I talk about the 7th student. So it's always going to have al. Okay. And when I talk about the 6th student, 6th we have like an adjective. So the 6th will also have al. So if I talk about riders, who has seen horse racing?
I have seen.
You have seen horse racing. So you've seen someone comes first, someone comes second, someone is running third, someone's running fourth, someone's running fifth. And Zahan might have seen car racing. You've seen car racing, Zahan? Zahan probably
Yes,
goes
sir,
car
teacher.
racing himself. He probably is one of the racers. He loves cars so much.
Awwal.
Okay. So if I say about the third car, I'll have the by default. Those going to come because I'm going to say the car. The third car is going to be definite. So I'm always going to have al. Okay. So all of these numbers. So whether it's a racer, so al matasabiqu is a racer. Let's quickly verify it. A raqibu would be the rider. Racer should be al matasabiqu, competitor or racer. Okay. So al matasabiqu would be the racer or the competitor. In the first position, now this is masculine. No ta marbuta. This is masculine. So I will use the masculine forms. No ta marbuta to any of these adjective forms. Okay. So don't memorize the numbers. If you know the numbers, so if you know wahid, ithnan, thalatha, arba'a, khamsa, sita, saba, thamania, tisa, ashara, you are good. Only thing you need to know is this is going to have al in front and the one is an exception. Today's questions are not on first, okay? So today's question won't have one, but know that one is al-ula would be first masculine. Sorry, this is al-awwal. Al-awwal is first masculine. Al-ula is first feminine. So if I speak about Zahan, if I say Zahan is driving a car and he is the first racer, I would say al-awwal. But if I speak about his car is feminine. So if I say the first car, I would say al-ula. But Zahan doesn't like al-ula. He likes to be al-awwal. He likes to be like awwal kalima. Okay, because he's masculine. So that is awwal. Awwal is masculine. Ula is feminine. So al-matasabiqu would be al-awwal. Athani is second. Athalith is third. Ar-rabi is fourth. Al-khamis is fifth. These numbers are very similar. See, for ithnan becomes athani. Thalatha becomes athalith. Fourth, arba'a becomes ar-rabi. Fifth, khamsa becomes al-khamis. Okay, so these are just like the numbers. You add an al and you just have a smooth pronunciation for the words. So 6 is Sab'a, it becomes Asadis. Sorry, 6 is Sitta, it becomes Asadis. 7th is Sab'a, it becomes Asabe. 8, what is 8?
Samanya.
Thamania becomes Athamin. This is slightly different, the 8. So it is Athamin. 9 is Tisa, it becomes Atasir. 10 is Ashra, it becomes Al-Ashir. You don't need to memorize these numbers, but you just need to recognize them where you see them. Okay? For feminine, it's very easy. Al-Awwal becomes Al-Ula. The rest you just add Ta marbuta to the end. So Athani becomes Athaniya. We added Ta marbuta. So it becomes Athaniya. Athalith would be the third. Athalitha 2 would become the third feminine. So you just add Ta marbuta. So all you need to do in today's quiz, and also otherwise when you see the Quran, etc., you need to recognize. Is it talking about 6? Is it talking about the 6th? Masculine or feminine? So you just need to recognize these patterns. That's all you need to do. Very quick shortcut is if you see Al, it's mostly going to be 6. If there's no Al, it's mostly going to be 6. Okay. So those are the tips for today's quiz. Any questions? Otherwise, we'll jump to Kahoot.
We'll jump to Kahoot.
Okay, Adnan is excited. Adnan, for the first time, knows something. See, Zahan has created a pattern for himself.
But who's Zahan? Okay, Zahan.
See, Zahan is taking 2 times. It's like best out of 2. I'll do from this phone and I'll do from that phone. One of these answers will be correct, so I'll try to come third.
You can remove one mine. I've joined twice. You can cancel one.
Which one should I cancel, Zahan?
Anything. You cancel the /1.
Okay, let me cancel the /1. So Zahan is having only 1 chance. So the lessest chances that he'll come in first 3. I see Shazia Safa, I see Anil Aunty, Fuzail Afifa, I do not see you. Nimra Sidra, I do not see you. Join quickly so we can do the quiz on Kahoot, inshallah. We have less time. We have only 15 minutes, so we'll try to
Can
make
you
it.
use Sahbya 2 phones to do Kahoot?
No.
Sorry?
2 times Kahoot.
Who's there 2 times?
We can we?
You'll need to use different phones. But that's the pain because even for 1 time, you won't have enough time. So like Zahan, if you're going to do Inky Pinky Ponky, you can join 2 times. Maybe you have higher chances of winning. What, Zahan? See, the Zahan matches the 13 00 13 9. He's making same pattern. Okay, guys, join quickly. We are running out of time. Nimra Sidra, I do not see you. I see Shazia Safa. I see Anil Aunty. I see Rahil
9
Aunty.
people are there.
Okay, we only are missing Nimra Sidra. So 10 seconds, guys. If not, we will start.
I will join.
Okay, they've also joined.
We join.
So we have 5-10 people. Okay, first I'm going to give you easy questions. Okay, questions from yesterday. So let's see if you can do it correct. First 3 questions are from yesterday. Zarat, Khadijatu or Khalidatu. Okay, Zarat, Khalidatu, doesn't matter who went. They went to 8 Biladin. Balad is country, Bilad is countries. Now, how do you say 8? Bilad is country, masculine. How do I say the 8? Is the 8 going to be Sittata? Is the 8 going to be Sitta? Is the 8 going to be Thamaniya? Or is the 8 going to be Thamaniyata? Sittata, blue. Sitta, red. Thamaniya, green. Thamaniyata, orange. Zarat, whoever, Khadijatu. 8 Biladin. How do I say the 8? Number 8. Easy question. Blue, Sittata. Red, Sitta. Green, Thamaniya. Orange, Thamaniyata. We have time, 30 seconds to go. First question, I'm giving you more time. So you can do it aram se. Only 9 people. So 1 person has left. Answers, Thamaniyata, it's going to be, Thamaniya is 8. Bilad is masculine, Thamaniya has to be feminine. 2 people answered Sittata, Sittata is 6. Sittata Biladin would be 6 countries. Thamaniyata Biladin would be 8 countries. The answer here we need is 8. But it's going to be Thamaniya. Okay, so Zahan, the rhyming Zahan is first. Let's see if Zahan can get the future answers also correct. Second question, again easy. Jalasti ma'a 6 sadiqatin. Sadiqatin, see the pattern. What is atin? Sadiqatin. And female friend is also a clue. So sadiqatun is female friend, sadiqatin. What is it? Jalasti ma'a dash sadiqatin. How do I say the 6? Blue, sab'ati, red, sab'i, or green, sittati. Sorry, green is sitti, orange is sittati. Jalasti ma'a dash sadiqatin. Time is running out. Blue, sab'ati, red, sab'i, green, sittati, orange, sittati. Green, sitti, orange, sittati. We have 9 answers, so a 10th person is back. Blue, sab'ati, red, sab'i, green, sitti, orange, sittati. 5 seconds to go. Okay. Sitti, sadiqatin. Orange is sittati. Sadiqatin is feminine, guys. Remember, talibatun, talibatun, talibatin. This is talibatin rule. So we have sadiqatun, sadiqatin. This is feminine. So 6 has to be masculine. Masculine 6 is sitti, without the tamarbhuta. Sittati, the orange, is feminine. Feminine is wrong. Between 3 and number 10, you would use masculine feminine rule. Okay. One more easy question, after that is going to get tough. Sadia has gotten this answer correct. So remember the rule, Sadia. Question 3. Ana adrusu fi al-fasli dash. Ana adrusu fi al-fasli dash. You need to say the 4th class. How do you say the 4th class? Fasl is without tamarbhuta, it is masculine. Blue, a rabi. Red, a rabiati. Green, al-khamisati. Orange, al-khamisi. Ana adrusu fil fasli dash. How do I say the 4th class? Blue, a rabi. Red, a rabiati. Green, al-khamisati. Orange, al-khamisi. Forty seconds to go. How do I say the 4th class? How do I use the adjective rule? A rabi. 4 people said feminine. What's the rule for adjective? I need to have masculine, feminine. This is adjective rule. Adjective rule is same. It's not opposite. 4 classes would be arba'atu faslin. Okay. Would be fusulin. In fact, fusul is plural fasl. Okay. So I'll have arba'atu fusulin would be 4 classes. But when I say the 4th class, it has to be the same rule. It has to be 4 masculine, class masculine. It has to be class 4th because it's adjective. Adjective comes after in Arabic. So it is al-fasli or rabi'i. Both have kasra, both have al, both have to be masculine. Fasl is masculine, no tamarbhuta. This also will be masculine. Okay, Zahan. Wrong answer. Shazia, well done. Sadia, well done. Rahil auntie, Nahid auntie are 3rd, 4th. I think they got 1 answer wrong. Probably this one. Okay, let's go. Now from here the quiz gets little tougher. Let's go question 4. Jalasa Ahmad sat ma'a dash mudarrisin. Easy question of yesterday. After this it gets tough. Jalasa Ahmadu ma'a dash mudarrisin. Mudarrisin, what pattern is it? What you need to recognize. This is a clue. The masculine plus feminine is a clue. How do I say 6? He sat with 6 teachers. Blue is sitti, red tis'ati, green sab'ati, orange tis'ati. No, sorry, orange is sittati. So blue sitti, red tis'ati, green sab'ati, orange sittati. Jalasa Ahmadu ma'a dash mudarrisin. Time's running out. 10 seconds to go. Blue, sitti. Red, tisati. Green, sabati. Orange, sittati. Time's running out. Okay, very good. Sittati, sitta is 6. Sittati, mudarrisin is masculine plus feminine. You will treat it as masculine. Masculine will take precedence, where even if you have even one male. So mudarrisin is masculine. The sitta has to be feminine. This is 6 teachers. No al. There's no al. It's going to be opposite rule. So it's going to be with masculine. Mudarrisin is masculine. So we'll have feminine. Feminine is sittati. Okay, Shazia, new student, is doing well. So Shazia is first, Sadia second, Zahan third, Nahid auntie fourth, Fuzail Afifa fifth. Rahil auntie is not in the top 5. Fuzail Afifa, well done. आप अच्छा कर रहे हो आज का quiz. Shazia is the only one. I think Shazia and Sadia perhaps all correct answers. Let's go question 5. Question 5 is from an ayah. فقال تمتعوا في داركم ثلاثة أيام. Okay, so this is Surah 11, verse 65. فقال تمتعوا في داركم. This part means, so he said, enjoy yourselves in your home. That's already translated. What you need to translate is the big text. ثلاثة أيام. Ayamin means days. Okay, Yawm is day. Ayam is days. What is ثلاثة أيام? Blue, the second day. Red, for 4 days. Green, the third day. Orange, for 3 days. فقال تمتعوا في داركم. This means فقال تمتعوا. فقال means, so he said. تمتعوا means enjoy yourselves. في داركم is in your homes. What will ثلاثة أيام be in this sentence? Blue, the second day. Red, for 4 days. Green, the third day. Orange, for 3 days. This is an ayah from the Quran. We need to be quick. 15 seconds to go. ثلاثة أيام in this sentence. Blue, the second day. Red, for 4 days. Green, the third day. Orange, for 3 days. Very good. 6 correct answers. ثلاثة أيام is the object form. Okay. فقال تمتعوا في داركم. So he said, enjoy yourselves in your homes. ثلاثة أيام is the detail. So he's saying, ثلاثة is 3. أيام is days. ثلاثة أيام is following the female male rule. ثلاثة is female. أيام is days, masculine. So enjoy yourselves in your homes 3 days. 4 is understood. So he says, enjoy yourselves in your home for 3 days. Shazia again doing very well. Well done, Shazia. Nahid auntie is up. Zahan is wrong answer. Fuzail Afifa, well done. Correct answer again. Sadia is number 5th. Question 6. Iftahi as-safhata dash. Iftahi means open. As-safhata is page. How do you say open the 5th page? Open the 5th page in the book. Okay. Iftahi is open. As-safhata is page. How do we say the 5th page? What comes in the dash? Blue, al-khamisa. Red, al-rabiya. Green, al-rabiyata. Orange, al-khamisata. Iftahi as-safhata dash. How do I say the 5th page? Blue, al-khamisa. Red, al-rabiya. Green, al-rabiyata. Orange, al-khamisata. Easy question. Okay, guys, look at the al. Where you have al, 5th page is going to follow the adjective rule.
Adjective rule.
It's not going to be al-khamisa. You have the al. Where you have al, it's going to be same. So, as-safhata, al-khamisata. It has to be feminine. It has to be tamarbuta. If you have the al, it has to be same, guys. So, al is the adjective. Without the al, if I would say open 5 pages, although it would not make sense, I could say,
Sakib Chacha,
yes.
I'm sorry, can you just wait for 50 seconds?
Quick, Zahan. We are running out of time. We need to be quick. Okay, so this is the al rule, this is the adjective rule, this is 5th page. Okay, I could say blue page, I could say green
We
page.
can continue.
It is adjective, so it is 5th page. So it's going to follow the safha. It is as-safhata al-khamisata. Let's see if Shazia got this one correct. Okay, looks like Shazia got this one also correct. So Nahid auntie is up. Shazia second, Zahan third, Fuzail Afifa fourth, Sadia fifth. Sadia is not in form. Adnan has learned, but Adnan is not applying the rules. So Adnan is also not in the top.
Aghu, my Kahoot isn't working. Check your chat also message.
Okay, it's okay. Try joining again, Sadia. From now we have tough questions, so you can use a double points rule and try to come up.
Yes, sir.
Try joining Wi-Fi again. Okay, let me continue. Question 7. Now these are tough questions, guys. Double points. Allati khalaqa would be translated as small. As-samawati wal arda. That's the first block. Allati khalaqa means the one who created. Allati khalaqa. As-samawati. Remember the atin rule. As-samawati. Because of al, the atin. Like at-talibatin would become at-talibati because of the al. As-samawati wal arda. Wama bainahuma means an all in between. Baina means in between. Allati khalaqa dash dash as-samawati wal arda. Wama bainahuma and everything in between. Fi sittati ayyamin. There are two blanks. The first is as-samawati wal arda. Second is fi sittati ayyamin. Double points. You need to be quick. Lu, one who created the heaven and the earth and all in between in 7 days. Red, one who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days. Green, one who created the heaven and earth in 6 days. Orange, one who created heavens and earth and all in between in 7 days. Allati khalaqa as-samawati wal arda wama bainahuma fi sittati ayyamin. What you need to translate is as-samawati wal arda. First blank and second is fi sittati ayyamin. Blue, I'll just read the block portion. Blue is the heaven and the earth in 7 days. Red, the heavens and the earth. Okay, 9 people have answered. Answer is the heavens because it is as-samawat, which is plural feminine, and the earth, it is al-arda. Okay, al-arda follows the pattern like muslimun. So musliman, al-muslima, al-arda, fi sittati ayamin. Ayam we know is masculine. Sittati ayamin would be 6 days. Very good. So 8 people got it correct. So it's not tough enough. We should make it more tough. Okay, Sadia, Rahil auntie are up now. Well done. Shazia is on a fire. Shazia has got all 7 answers correct. 3 more questions, tough questions. Let's see how you guys do it. These will be the deciding questions. Question 8. Is another question from an ayah. What you need to translate is the last part. So the ayah is Fasihu fil ardi. Fasihu fil ardi means you may go about freely in the land. Fasihu fil ardi. What you need to translate is Arba'ata Ashurin. Shahar, Shahri Ramadana. Shahar means month. Ashurin means months. What is Arba'ata Ashurin? Blue, the 5th month. We are looking at Arba'ata Ashurin. Blue is the 5th month. Red is for 4 months. Green for 5 months. Orange, the 4th month. Blue, the 5th month. Green for 5 months. Red for 4 months. Orange, the 4th month. Fasihu fil ardi arba'ata ashurin. Ashurin means months. It is masculine. Blue, the 5th month. Red for 4 months. Green for 5 months. Orange, the 4th month. For 4 months, arba'ata ashurin. There's no al. Okay, so it's not 4th month for sure. It's feminine, masculine. So it tells you that there's a number game involved. Okay, Arba'ata is 4. Ashhurin is months. Just 4.
Saturday, I lost connection.
Try joining again, Zahan. Let's go next question. We are running out of time. Question 9. Double point question. Hal shaqqatu fi dawri al-khamisi. Hal is yes or no question. Ashaqqatu, everyone knows what is ashaqqatu, is apartment. Okay, so is the apartment fi ad-dawri al-khamisi. Is the apartment in ad-dawri al-khamisi? Dawri is floor. So is the apartment in the 5th floor? You need to answer no. It's in the 3rd floor. How do you say no? The apartment is actually in the 3rd floor. How do you say it? Hal shaqqatu fi dawri al-khamisi. Blue, na'am. Ashaqqatu fi dawri al-khamisi. Red, na'am. Ashaqqatu fi dawri al-khamisati. Green, la. Ashaqqatu fi dawri al-thalithi. Orange, la. Ashaqqatu fi dawri al-thalithati. Let me repeat, 40 seconds to go. Blue, na'am. Ashaqqatu fi dawri al-khamisi. Red, na'am. Ashaqqatu fi dawri al-khamisati. Green, la. Ashaqqatu fi dawri al-thalithi. Orange, la.
Can you just mute everyone? Breaking, because can you just mute everyone?
Yes. Zahan, you need to mute yourself, Zahan. There's too much disturbance in your line. Okay. Quickly, guys. 15 seconds to go. Blue, na'am. Ashaqqatu fi dawri al-khamisi. Red, na'am. Ashaqqatu fi dawri al-khamisati. Green, la. Ashaqqatu fi dawri al-thalithi. Orange, la. Ashaqqatu fi dawri al-thalithati. Time's running out. 1 second to go. You say no. No is going to be la. Okay. So 5 have marked the green law. 3 have marked the orange law. Ad-dawr is masculine. When I say ad-dawr, the athalithi also has to match the dawr. So it's going to be ad-dawri, athalithi. It's not going to be ad-dawri, athalithati.
I marked it right, still I got it wrong here.
Okay, connection issue, Zahan.
Even mine's Akhabaya.
Okay, bad luck. You two are mischievous boys. Kahoot doesn't like both of you.
Akhabaya, so your internet is slow. It
also happened yesterday.
have.
Okay, what you need to do is go around the house, ask everyone to stop using Wi-Fi when you're doing the quiz. Okay, so
I'm not using
Mama,
Wi-Fi, I'm using my phone.
Abu, Auntie, whoever's in the house, no Wi-Fi for anyone. Okay, when you're taking the quiz, and you need to be close to the Wi-Fi. So that's how you take the quiz. Okay, so I'll give you 5 seconds. Go and ask everyone to turn off their Wi-Fi, or take everyone's phones and keep it with you. No Wi-Fi, no Amazon Fire, no laptops, nothing. Okay, so only you will do Kahoot during this time. Okay, guys. Last question, tough question, double points. Okay, so I hope you have everyone's phones and everyone's laptops, and everyone's Wi-Fi is off. Okay, so with that, last question. Okay, Shazia has gotten this one wrong. Sadia is catching up. Sadia is using all of the bonus questions to come up. So Nahida Auntie, Zahan has gotten correct. Zahan, your answer is correct. Why were you crying? Sadia is third. So let's see what happens with this last tough question. 10th question. Double points, bonus question.
I got disconnected, Akhabaya.
Come back quickly. Laqad atayna Musa.
Can you tell me the pin?
See your WhatsApp.
Okay, got it.
Look at your WhatsApp. I'm going ahead with the question. Okay? I'm going to mute you. Laqad atayna Musa. This is already translated. And we had certainly given Musa. And we had certainly given Musa is already translated. Tis'a ayatin bayyinatin. There are multiple rules here. Tis'a ayatin bayyinatin. What would this translate to? Use all of the rules which are needed. Blue, 9 signs to clear. Red, to clear 9 signs. Green, 9th clear sign. Orange, 9 clear signs. This is bonus question, double points, tough question. And we had certainly given Musa. وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا Musa. tis'a ayatin bayyinatin. What does tis'a ayatin bayyinatin mean? You have enough time. 45 seconds to go. Blue, 9 signs to clear. Red, to cure 9 signs. Green, 9th clear sign. Orange, 9 clear signs. 30 seconds to go. Bonus question, double points. Take your time, think and answer. Tis'a ayatin bayyinatin. Blue, 9 signs to clear. Red, to clear 9 signs. Green, 9th clear sign. Orange, 9 clear signs. 10 seconds to go, guys. You need to be quick. You need to mark the answer. Time is running out. Tis'a ayatin bayyinatin. 5 seconds to go. There's no time left. Okay, the last person finally answered. The answer is 9 clear signs. What is tis'a ayatin?
Ayatin bayanatin is clear signs. It's an adjective.
Yes, so ayatin, bayinatin, this is adjective. So clear signs. Okay, so this is plural, this is also plural. So it's clear signs. In Arabic, the signs will come first, the adjective will come last. Okay, so I will not say clear signs, I will say signs clear. Signs is ayat, ayatin, bayinatin is clear. So this is adjective. What about tis'a ayatin? What is tis'a ayatin? What rule is this following?
The number.
This is the number rule. So tis'a ayatin, tis'a is masculine, ayatin, see the atin, there's an atin here, there's an atin here, this is feminine. So this is 9 signs and this clear. So the signs are clear, so it's going to be 9 clear signs. So the correct answer is orange. So there are 2 rules. There's a number rule and there's the adjective rule. There are both of those rules. وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا مُوسَى تِسْعَ آيَاتٍ بَيِّنَاتٍ. So you need to know the rules and how they link, because you need to know it is 9 signs were given to Musa. It's not the 9th sign. It is not, Musa does not have to clear 9 signs, but this is where your knowledge of Arabic grammar is going to be useful for you to really understand what is being said. Okay, let's see the standings. Who's going to be third? Third, 9 out of 10, only 1 wrong answer, Shazia. Very well done, Shazia. Shazia is new and Shazia has done well, mashallah. Sadia, 7 out of 9. 9 out of 9. Nahid auntie is first. Very well done. Fourth is Zahan, still not in top 3. So no Haji Hifza, still Zahan is not in top 3. And Rahil auntie has caught up. Rahil auntie has used the last bonus question to come in to the 5th place. Okay. Now, quick check. How many of you have tests going? I know Sadia has exams going. Who else has
Me.
exams going?
I saw her there.
Adnan has tests.
Sakab uncle,
Yes, Muniba?
Sakab uncle, I have exams.
Muniba also has
I have
exams.
exams.
Okay, so what we'll do, next class also we will go slow, inshallah. Okay, so we'll take few concepts we've already learned, and the next week also we'll go slow. After that, from I think 24th October onwards, from week after next, we'll start learning new concepts, inshallah. Okay, so next week is also going to be slow. So if you can't revise, if you have to focus on school exams, it's okay. So do your duas, focus on your full exams. Next class will also be revision, will also be easy concepts. After that, we will start learning new concepts, inshallah. So Adnan, Sadia, Muniba and everyone who has tests, focus on your tests. We'll catch up on Arabic later, inshallah. Okay, anyone has questions?
No, Thakur.
Okay, we have run out of time. We are at 1:40. So let me end the class and I'll stay back for questions, inshallah. I'll stay back 5-10 minutes for anyone who has questions. And Shazia, very well done. You joined late. You didn't do the previous numbers quiz. So everyone else has done the previous numbers quiz, but still, you've gotten all of the rules correct. MashaAllah. Very well done. With that, we'll close. See you all next Saturday at 12:30, inshallah. We'll go easy the next weekend. And after that, inshallah, we'll start learning new concepts. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Ma salama. See you all next week on Saturday at 12:30, inshallah.
Jazakallah khair.
जज़ाकल्लाह खैर, मा सलामत आखिर।
वैयाकुम, मा सलामा।
जज़ाकल्लाह खैर माँ।